Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel. I'm Manha. We are very happy to have you here with us today.
And Umar. Today's topic is very useful for your English and for your daily life.
Excellent. First, let us be honest. Many people do not waste time because they are lazy. They waste time because they do not have a clear plan.
Yes, that is true. Sometimes I open my phone for 1 minute and then a long time disappears.
Exactly. That is one of the biggest time traps. A small distraction can take a big part of your day.
I know that feeling very well.
So today, we will practice real English about smart habits. We will also learn how to speak naturally about time, focus, and daily routine.
I like that because it is useful for life and for English.
Good. Let us start with a simple question. What do you usually do when you wake up in the morning?
I wake up, I check my phone, and I get ready.
Very good. Now tell me, is checking your phone the first thing you should do?
Maybe not. It is not always a good habit.
Right. A smarter habit is to start the day with purpose. That means you do something useful before you get distracted.
So I should start with a plan.
Exactly. You can say, I will plan my day first.
I will plan my day first.
Very good. I will do my important work first.
I will do my important work first.
Now, if you start with a plan, your mind feels more organized. You know what to do, and you waste less time.
That makes sense. I need that habit.
Good. Now, let us practice some daily life sentences. If you are focused, what do you say?
I am focused.
If you are distracted?
I am distracted.
If you are busy with important work?
I am busy with important work.
Very good. Now, say a full sentence.
I am focused on my important work.
Excellent. That is a very useful sentence. Now, let us make it more natural. Imagine you are talking about your day. How is your day going?
My day is going well. I am focused on my work.
Very good. Did you waste time today?
No, I tried to stay organized.
Excellent. That is a strong answer. Now, let us talk about another smart habit. If you want to save time, do not keep deciding again and again. Make one clear choice and continue.
Can you give me an example?
Yes. For example, if you know you need to study English, do not keep asking yourself what to do next. Just sit down and study.
So I should stop thinking too much?
Exactly. Decide, then act. That saves time. Now, repeat this sentence.
I decide and I act.
Good. I do not waste time deciding again and again.
I do not waste time deciding again and again.
Very nice. Now, let us practice another useful habit. Keep your space clean. A messy space often creates a messy mind.
Yes, when my room is messy, I feel lazy.
Exactly. So if your room is clean, it is easier to start work. You can say, my room is clean and I can think better.
My room is clean and I can think better.
Perfect. I keep my desk organized.
I keep my desk organized.
Very good. Now, let us practice a short conversation with this idea. Umar, why are you not starting your work?
I am checking my phone too much.
What should you do first?
I should put my phone away and start my work.
Excellent. Very clear answer. Now, let us practice a smarter version. Umar, what is your plan today?
Yes, Manha.
My plan is to finish my important work first.
Very good. Then what?
Then I will take a short break and continue.
That is a smart habit.
I like this because it sounds simple but strong.
Yes, smart habits are simple. They do not need big words. They need repeated action.
That is helpful to hear.
Good. Now, let us talk about one more time trap. Some people say they are resting, but they are actually losing time. Rest is good, but endless scrolling is not rest.
That is true. Sometimes I think I am resting, but I am only wasting time.
Exactly. A good rest gives energy. A bad rest takes energy. For example, short walking, drinking water, or closing your eyes for a few minutes can help.
So, real rest should help me feel fresh.
Yes, you can say, I am taking a short break.
I am taking a short break.
I will come back to my work.
I will come back to my work.
Very good. Now say both together.
I am taking a short break. I will come back to my work.
Excellent. Now let us move to another smart habit. If something is important, do it before small things.
Important first, small things later.
Exactly. That is a great rule. Now repeat.
Important first, small things later.
Good. Now let us practice with daily English. Imagine your friend asks, "Why are you so busy?"
I am busy because I have important work.
Good. What will you do first?
I will do my important work first.
Excellent. When will you relax?
I will relax after my work.
Very good. That is a balanced answer. Now let us practice another common habit, setting a timer. A timer can protect your time.
How does that help?
If you say, I will study for 20 minutes, you are more focused because you know the time is limited.
That is a smart idea.
Yes, you can say, I am studying for 20 minutes.
I am studying for 20 minutes.
I am working for 1 hour.
I am working for 1 hour.
Very good. Now say both together.
I am studying for 20 minutes. I am working for 1 hour.
Now let us practice a real conversation about the phone. Umar, be honest. How much time do you spend on your phone?
Too much sometimes?
What should you do?
I should use my phone less.
Very good. What can you do instead?
I can study, read, or rest properly.
Now say that again in a full sentence.
I should use my phone less, and I can study, read, or rest properly.
Good. Now let us talk about another useful habit, making a short list. A list helps you stay clear.
Yes, I like lists. They make work easier.
Exactly. You can say, I have 3 tasks today.
I have 3 tasks today.
I will finish them one by one.
I will finish them one by one.
Very good. My list helps me stay focused.
My list helps me stay focused.
Excellent. Now, let us practice a small story. Imagine it is morning. You wake up, you drink water, you write your tasks, and you start working. How do you describe that?
I wake up early. I drink water. I write my tasks. Then I start working.
Very nice. Add one more detail.
I wake up early. I drink water. I write my tasks. Then I start working without checking my phone too much.
Excellent. That is a very smart sentence. Now let us practice daily life English with habits. If your friend asks, how do you stay productive? What can you say?
I stay productive by planning my day and avoiding distractions.
Good. Now add one more point.
I stay productive by planning my day, avoiding distractions, and doing important work first.
Excellent. That is a strong answer. Now let us practice a conversation at home. Umar, why are you still sitting there?
Yes, Manha, I am wasting time on my phone.
What should you do now?
I should put the phone away and start my work.
Good. What is your work?
I need to study English and finish my tasks.
That is a much better choice. Now let us practice another daily situation. If you have a free hour, what should you do?
I should use it well.
Good. What can you do?
I can read, study, clean my room, or rest properly.
Exactly. That is a smart answer. Now, let us make one more conversation. What did you do with your free time today?
I studied English, cleaned my desk, and finished my work.
Very good. Did you waste time?
No, I used my time well.
Excellent. Now, say that in one line.
I studied English, cleaned my desk, and used my time well.
Good. Now, let us talk about motivation. A smart habit is to remind yourself why you are learning.
Why is that important?
Because your reason gives you energy. If you remember your goal, it is easier to stay focused.
So I should remember my goal every day?
Exactly. You can say, I want a better future.
I want a better future.
I want better English.
I want better English.
I want to use my time wisely.
I want to use my time wisely.
Excellent. Now say them together.
I want a better future. I want better English. I want to use my time wisely.
Good. Now, listeners, repeat after Umar. I want a better future. I want better English. I want to use my time wisely.
That is a strong message.
Yes, and it is a message you can live by every day. Now let us practice one more useful habit. End the day with a short review. Ask yourself, what did I do well? What did I waste? What will I improve tomorrow?
That is a good habit.
Yes, you can say, today I worked well.
Today I worked well.
Today I wasted some time.
Tomorrow I will do better.
Perfect. Now say all three.
Today I worked well. Today I wasted some time. Tomorrow I will do better.
Good. That is honest and useful. Now let us practice a short conversation with a friend. Umar, are you free now?
Yes, Manha, I am free now.
What will you do with your time?
I will study English and finish my tasks.
Very good. Will you check your phone less?
Yes, I will check my phone less.
Excellent. That is a smart decision.
I feel better when I have a plan.
Good. A plan helps you feel calm, and when you feel calm, you work better.
That makes sense.
Now, let us practice one final useful idea for today. When you are tempted to waste time, say this: not now, later. That small sentence can save your day.
Not now, later.
Good. First work, then fun.
First work, then fun.
Excellent. I choose my future over distractions.
I choose my future over distractions.
Very good. Now say all three together.
Not now, later. First work, then fun. I choose my future over distractions.
Excellent. That is a strong habit statement. Keep it in your mind, Umar. Use your time with care, and your days will become more useful, more peaceful, and more successful. Thank you so much for listening to Dr. Manha English Channel.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like this video.
Share it with your friends who want to learn English.
And do not forget to subscribe to Dr. Manha English Channel.
We create simple English podcasts to help you speak confidently.
Keep practicing.
Keep learning.
and never stop improving your English.
We will meet you again in the next episode with another interesting English podcast.
Until then, keep listening, keep speaking.
Goodbye and take care.